Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I am super excited because I got my Boxycharm. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it with you guys. I haven't even undone the tape. So let's open it and see what we got. I'm super excited. So hopefully I got what I want. Hopefully. We'll see. So I got number C21010005-BA. So so let's see. It says I got some Bali Balm. Okay, so I got this Bali Balm. This looks like it is a lip balm. Ooh, it smells good. Like orangey and coconutty. That is exciting. I love a good lip balm. And I've never tried this brand before. It says bee friendly, so it has coconut oil, castor seed oil, shea butter, which is good for your lips. So all of this looks awesome. And this retails for $33. Holy shit, that is an expensive balm. $33. Goodness. All right, and I got this Pharmacy oil-free gel moisturizer. And it's a Daily Greens oil-free gel moisturizer, oil-free, silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. It contains hyaluronic acid, a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. $38. So far that is 71. And then next we have hyaluronic acid. It looks cool, huh? Hyaluronic acid Avant Skin Fair Biphase and Rejuvenating Micellar Water. Infused with replenishing ingredients, Biphase hyaluronic acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup. Micellar water phase working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. $90? Holy fucking shit, that's expensive. That is expensive. Damn. So I said 71, so we are at 160. Oh my god, what's 71 plus 90? 161, I think. Ooh, and some Dr. Brandt's. This is eye cream, which that makes me super happy because I had this Dr. Brandt's and it's almost gone. So I'm going to love using this new one. Hopefully it is the same. Oh yeah, triple peptide eye cream. Cool. So that triple peptide eye cream is $82 for this little tiny. Holy freaking crap, that's expensive. This is an expensive box, guys. This is an expensive freaking box. And then I got the Velvet palette, which I am excited about. We'll see what colors it has. So let's Let's see. Ooh, that's super shiny. Ooh, I'm excited to see what this is. I am excited to see how this looks on the eyes. Let's watch. Okay, that's kind of not beautiful. That's really soft though. That's like a dusty rose. I have like a gold. That gold's really pretty. Cool. Awesome. And the palette is 30 bucks. Molten and metal matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application. So the total is a lot. I'm probably gonna have to add this up because I lost track after that $90 item. It was so expensive. So expensive. All right. What the heck happened? So we have 30, 38, 90, 82, and 33. 273 buckaroos. Cute little card. 273. I'm happy with this one. I probably wouldn't have bought that Ciate palette, but y'all know I am a sucker for palettes. So I'm super happy and excited about that. So have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me, and hopefully I will talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.